Hi, today I'm for the Infinix Zero Ultra and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to more connections. Then you'll see here NFC section. Just to activate the NFC option, we should click here only once on the switcher. And just to turn it off, we should click on the switcher once again. Also, we have one more way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel shortcuts. And somewhere here you should find the NFC icon. If you don't see this icon, like in my case, you should click here on the three dots, tap to edit shortcut switch, and here in this down section you will see the NFC icon. Click on this plus on the right upper corner on the icon, and after that just go back to save the changes. Here you'll see the NFC icon now on your notification panel, and just to activate or turn off the NFC you should click on this switcher. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.